Today I'll walk you through how to duplicate a view in Airtable, step by step. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. To get started, open your browser and head over to Airtable. If you're not already signed in, click the Login button and enter your credentials. Once you're in, open the base that contains the view you want to duplicate. Remember, a base is like your main project or database, and inside it you'll find several tables. Now, select the table that contains the view you're looking to copy. In the left sidebar, you'll see a list of all the views available for that table. Scroll through until you find the one you want to duplicate. Click the More Options menu. That's the 3 dots next to the view name. From the drop-down, select Duplicate View. A small window will pop up asking you to enter a name for your new copy. Type in something clear and descriptive, then click Create or Duplicate to confirm. What happens next is really useful. Airtable creates a perfect copy of your original view, carrying over the exact same layout, filters, sorting, grouping, and field visibility settings. So if you spent time setting up a complex filtered view, you won't have to rebuild it from scratch. You can simply open the duplicated view to start making any changes you need. If you want a more descriptive title, just rename the view directly. Airtable saves all your changes automatically, so there's no need to hit a save button. Here's why this matters. Duplicating a view is perfect when you need a similar setup but don't want to alter the original. For example, you can create separate views for different teams, workflows, or reporting needs. Adjust the filters and sorting in the duplicated version without affecting the original at all. This keeps your data intact while giving each team their own custom lens. Just be sure to use clear, descriptive view names so your collaborators can easily find the correct version. You've now successfully duplicated a view in Airtable. You've learned how to copy layouts, filters, and settings in just a few clicks, and you know how to customize each copy for different purposes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.